so I'm back again with another tutorial. Right here I'm just going to use my wonderful baby wipes that I get from Walmart. I think this is like a cucumber, so I'm just going to wipe off my face, wipe all the stress of the day away. Alright, let's see. This is the Fit Me foundation. I'll have all the details in the box down below. Black Radiance HD primer that I used yesterday. Really light. You can probably use this as a BB cream if you were lighter because it has coverage to it, but definitely too light for me. But I use it until I run out. I'll keep using it. My stippling brush, I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is in. Dab a little on the back of my hand. I tried to speed it up for you guys, so I'm just stippling. Pushing it into the skin, not necessarily rubbing. Once I think it's in the skin, then I'll start my circular motions. Not enough. Yes, there we go. Put a little extra on there. Perfect. Get up in there. And I think the next few videos, so what? Yep, oh, there it is. Yeah, so the next few videos that I do, I'm probably going to skip the foundation portion and just show you guys like the highlighting. Now my Zuri Flawless, I live by this stuff. This is in the color Espresso. I'm using this today as my highlight, but for my under eye, I'm also going to put the LA Girl Pro.Conceal. There we go. And it mixes so nice with the Zuri foundation stick. And it gives me a good color where it's not too bright and it's not dark, so it definitely works good. Go ahead and put it on the cupid's bow, on the chin, and back up the nose. You know, the foundation routine, it takes the long Black Radiance. This foundation mousse is so beautiful. It's so chocolatey. I wish I was this dark. Oh, in the summer I try, but I digress. Just going to go ahead and carve out my cheek. Push it into my temples, go across my forehead. Anywhere that you contour, you are trying to hide, you're trying to decrease the size of. In essence, you are highlighting everything else around your contour for it to jump forward, for you to see it first. Oh, this camera shows your soul. All right, now I'm going to take my flat foundation brush and I'm just going to go ahead and push all of this concealer in, all this highlight color in. I'm not rubbing, I'm just pushing. I want to get it into the skin. Make sure you press hard, otherwise you're going to see every line that you drew on your face. Alright, I'm looking around as usual, trying to find something on this massive counter. Okay, back to the stippling brush. I'm just going to go ahead and push that contour in. And there's never a point where you contour too much. You can always go back in with your foundation or anything else and blend it in. Now I'm going to blend my jawline in with the contour. Topaz powder, more orange, more peachish. My nice little fluffy brush, and I am going to go in. Yes, yes. It looks so extreme, but when I tell you I'm oily, I am oily. Get that on there nice and good. Go ahead and on the jawline, which is also going to help accentuate your contour more. I'm going to go ahead and probably put some more in that other eye. Come on, sister. Put dab, dab. Get to it. Oh, I didn't. Oh, wow, look at that. Nikki Garrett. Amazing. I'm just going to go in and powder down the contour that I did. Nice. There we go. All right, now, so I've put on all my baking powder. Baking soda, I got baking soda. It's so much still left in this brush. So I'm just trying to get it all off my face now. I baked long enough. There's a little time lapse in between this. And you just go in and you rub for dear life, because even with your baking, you may have harsh lines. I usually have a harsh line along my jaw or my contour line, but that's just my natural contour, so it's going to look deep set anyway. Going in with my all over glow. Again, I put it high on my cheekbones. And of course, I'm going to attach pictures at the end so you can see the glow that this gives you. I really love it. Like, there have been days, and my skin is not perfect as you can see, but I'll just go and I'll put that on my cheeks and I'll feel like I'm popping. Alright, so I'm going in now. I'm trying to do these eyebrows. I really thought I was in view of the camera. That sucks. I may adjust, I may not, I don't know. There we go. We're going to go along the top. And for me, this technique is a lot easier because I can cut out the shape that I want, and then I can go in with whatever pomade or brow gel or however I want to do it then and get everything else situated. Alright. Let's see. Try my best. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm getting kind of good at this stuff. Okay. I'm trying to wipe away the harsh line, and I was debating if I wanted to do my eyeshadow on camera, so I was like, okay, well, I might as well pull this down a little bit and just get into it. I'm just gonna come across and try to see if my beginnings are even. If not, when I go in with my pomade, I'll try to even them out. And I don't know about anybody else, but this technique is like really bomb for me because I'm blind. So I was to make the biggest imprint and then go in and try to sketch it out. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm about to go in and fill them in. I'm gonna go see what. Excuse me. I'm gonna go see what other colors they have that may match my hair more, because it feels weird just having these like stark dark eyebrows on this light here. I'm just getting in there nice and good, covering any gaps. I do long strokes and then I go in with shorter strokes. At the top or the beginning of the brow, I go up, and then down the rest I just do strokes going all the way back. See, I'm starting out with a long line, bang bang, pow, then going up. It's kind of sparse in certain areas. I tried like that Nair challenge thing. Yeah, it was shit. I would never do it again. That's why I have patches now on my left eyebrow. Take it from me. Don't do it. Alright, that one was too wide. That's what I was trying to say. So I was just gonna, there you go. And you just go back in with whatever concealer or product you want to use around it, and it'll cut down the size. So if you go too wide or you go too small, you can always go in and fix it. And eyebrows are cousins or even sisters, but definitely never twins. So don't be hard on yourself. Alright, again, I'm trying to go around the front. I feel like I didn't fix it good enough. There we go. I'm going to go up, up, up. Come over to the side. There we go. And it started to mix with the concealer, so it almost had like an ombre effect toward the end, which is weird, but kind of cute at the same time. Alright, now, like I showed you ladies before, I go in with this in circular motions, and it gets all the excess off for me. So just twist it, twist and pull. And you'll still have somewhat of a highlight around it, which is pretty, but it won't be that big, harsh halo effect. And I wasn't thinking, because I would have left everything under my brows, because I wound up doing my eyeshadow anyway on camera. Love it. Coral Cove by Milani. Just gonna push that into my contour and a little bit above and underneath my highlight. And I do things backwards, but it comes out perfect to me. So. Alright, this is Milani. I decided to do a red lip, although the undertone of this is definitely a pink. When I wipe it off, it is pink. But it goes on pretty. And then I'm going to also mix in Sephora's red, I don't know if it's a lip stain or lip gloss or whatever it is, but it's a pretty deep red with more of an orange tint to it. To me, my lips never look big until I put on certain lipsticks, and I'm like, ooh, I have pretty lips. These are so cool. Yeah, all right, my Morphe palette. Morphe, this is probably 1 or 2 palettes I still have left of years of just neglecting the makeup that I've had. That camouflage thing I got from Walmart, it is so bright, and I didn't know what I was going to do with it, because when I got ready to take it back, I didn't have the receipt and I couldn't, it was just a whole bunch of crap, but it's watery. It definitely is liquidy, but it dries really good and it doesn't move, but I'm gonna set it in place anyway with Bin 9. Okay. And I'm gonna bring it up. All the way up. Alright, make sure everything looks somewhat decent. Alright, there I go. I'm going in with the Bin 9 banana powder, I believe. I don't think I used Topaz. And don't be afraid of the fallout. I've yet to have any flashback, and I go in with setting powder. So now again, some time has elapsed, so I wiped off all the excess Bin 9 powder. I'm setting my face, trying to get all of this powder off of me. Here we go. Now I'm going into the Morphe palette. That is like a pretty, what can I say? I think that one is like the orange. Yeah, it's an orange shade. But again, once I make my ring light, you guys will be able to see things a lot better because it's like an orange warm tone in my bathroom. So everything comes off a little bit more orange. But of course, like I said, I'm going to post pictures so you guys can see. Oh, honey, I used to get into some makeup. I'm only 31, but in my early 20s, I would kill shit. And then I just like gave up on it. I gave up on myself. And this year has been an eye-opener. So I'm going to get back to you, boo. Do your thing. So there I was going in with a red color. So I did an orange. Then there's like a reddish orange tone in this palette also. I'm going to try to see if I can remember what palette it is. Now I'm going into a purple. It's almost like a purple pink color. So I'm just going kind of in a C shape around the red I just did. Get in there. And this palette is like so pigmented, it's bomb. Now this, it's like a shimmery purple, but it goes on almost like a brown, dark brown shimmer. I love it. And I'm just gonna like pretty much make a V shape there, and I'm gonna bring it all the way down. I'm using the front and the back and the tip of this brush, and I'm just bringing it down. And how I feel about makeup, you can never mess up. People may not like what you do, but as long as you like, look at that. Get into it. All right, came back. Both sides are done now. That is from Sephora. It's a gel liner. And I've never tried this, so I guess it came out how it came out. It didn't come out bad, though. I didn't get my damn big knuckles out the way you can actually see what I'm doing. All right, got that in there. I'm getting good. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure I have it in there. I put a decent amount on my little brush. That's the same brush that I use for my, it's the same brush I use for my eyebrows. Going into the other side. Oh, in the nose. And I have other like eyebrow pencils or eyeliner pencils. But I said, you know, let me try something different. I have all this stuff and I'm like, I need to start using it. The other day I went into my makeup drawer and I had all these different lipsticks and I'm trying them on and my lips started burning. I said, nope, garbage. So go through your things, ladies. Throw some things away. Don't be afraid to throw them away. All right, so I'm pretty much done here. This is also from Sephora. I think I got it on sale for like $2. It's the prettiest gold. I'm just going to go into my little tear duct area and just get that to brighten up, make it pop. All right, there we go. And this is what I forgot to do last time on camera. I forgot to put on my mascara. I wanted to do the lashes, but I have not tried that before. So I was like, nah, not this time. My lashes are already long. Okay, look at that. And this mascara is really good. Like, it really defines the hell out of my eyelashes. Okay. I really like how this came out. It was cute. And I thought it would take me a lot longer to get all this done, but... And don't forget, ladies, I did not put, there we go, the Sephora. I'm just gonna put that on the innermost part. Let's see. There we go. And it just brightens it a bit more. And voila. Thanks for watching. Here go the pictures.